Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your iPhone camera isn't working, don't worry. I'm here to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue quickly. Let's get started. Sometimes the camera app just needs a quick restart. Close the app completely by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping the camera app up to close it. Then we open the camera app. Now, head over to the Setting app and ensure your iPhone is running on the latest version of iOS. Go to Setting, then General and Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. A simple restart can often fix many issues. Press and hold the power button or the power button and the volume button on the newer models until you see the slider to turn off. Slide to turn off your iPhone, then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Also, make sure the apps you are using have permission to access the camera. Go to Settings, scroll down to the app in question and make sure camera is enabled. A quick check on the camera lenses for any dirt can also help. Gently clean it with a soft, lint-free cloth to ensure nothing is obstructing the lens. Sometimes, a case or cover can also interfere with the camera. Remove any case or cover to see if that can resolve the issue. If the problem persists, you can try resetting all settings. Go to Setting, then General, and press on Reset. Select Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system settings like Wi-Fi password and wallpapers. If none of these steps work, there might be a hardware issue. Visit an Apple store or contact Apple support for any further assistance. And that's it guys. By following these steps, you should be able to get your iPhone camera working again. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.